Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you another cool card trick and tutorial. At the end of the video I'll be announcing the winners of the signed deck giveaway from my last video, plus there's going to be another signed deck giveaway. So for this effect I'm going to be using the four most powerful cards in the deck, the four aces. We're going to take the ace of spades, hearts, clubs, and diamonds, and we're going to get the cards lost in the middle of the deck. Now I'm going to flip over about half of the cards and we're going to shuffle the face up cards into the face down cards. So we're going to shuffle face up cards into face down cards, just like this. And now you can see that the face up cards are going into the face down cards. So we have face up cards, face down cards, face up cards, face down cards. We're going to give the cards a couple of cuts. So there's 1, 2, and one more time we're going to give the cards some cuts, just so you can see that the cards are face up and face down. Now over here we have a joker. A joker is a wild, magical card. It's magical because with a snap, all the cards in the deck are now face down except all the aces. It's wild because the joker has just turned into the fourth ace, the ace of spades. Okay, this is a quick, powerful little trick. It requires some practice. It's a little complicated, so let's get into it right now. You're going to remove the four aces from the deck, and on the bottom you're going to have your joker. You're going to lift the deck up and you're going to slide the joker off and catch a pinky break right below the joker. You're going to lift and introduce the four aces. The ace of spades, ace of hearts, ace of clubs, ace of diamonds. While the deck is sideways, you're going to set them right on top, so now you've got 5 cards above your pinky. You're going to convert that pinky break into a thumb break, and now you're going to perform what's called a Brownie reversal. As you tell the spectator, you're going to get the aces lost into the middle of the deck. Take half of the cards and flip them on top, holding on to that break, and then the remaining half of the cards and flip them on top. The situation right now is you've got a joker on the bottom, the four aces, and the rest of the cards are face down. You now want to split half the packet. So you take about half of the cards and spread them out, fan them out, and then flip this packet over while these cards are covering your hand. Or you can do it from the front, from your thumb, lift up about half of the cards and spread the cards out. So this is actually hiding that you're flipping the deck over. Now you're going to set these cards down and you're going to say you're going to shuffle the face up cards into the face down cards, when in reality you've got, these are the only face down cards right over here, these 5 cards, the 4 aces and the joker. So now what you want to do is a very tight riffle shuffle. So you do a tight riffle shuffle where you riffle the 2 packets together. You want to be careful not to flash these cards right over here. So what I did was a tight little riffle shuffle, and you want to make sure when you get to the top that you mix these cards together so the cards on top are mixed together well. You can show that they're mixed just like this, that they were actually intertwined. Push the packets together. Now you're going to up jog 5 face down cards. So you could say we have cards that are face up, cards that are face down, face up, face up, face down, face up, face down, face down. As soon as you get to the 5th card, you're going to take these 5 cards out and set them on top. Reverse count the top 2 cards. 1, 2. This will be your joker right over here. Now you're going to set these cards and you're going to catch a pinky break. So you're going to set them on top, catch a pinky break, again convert that to a thumb break, and double undercut these 2 cards to the bottom of the deck. So take half the cards, move them to the top, and then the bottom half, move them to the top. So now the situation is you've got 3 aces on top of the deck, and on the bottom of the deck you've got your joker and your 4th ace. So now what you're going to do is split off about 10 cards or so, or less, and swing cut them over. Then take about half of the deck and swing cut that and put that on top, because that's where the aces are going to be. You want about half of the deck or a little less or right around there, and then you're going to put this packet right underneath. So it looks to the spectator like you have face up cards, face down cards. Square them all up. Flip the packet over. What's really cool about this is you have to do a double lift now. Where the face up cards meet the face down cards, the double lift is easy because after you square it up, all you have to do is apply a little pressure right down here and these 2 cards will pop up. So you can actually lift and do a double lift really easily here. Just say we're going to turn the joker over and you're actually turning the joker and the ace over, and we're going to set the joker down and you're actually setting the ace down. And that joker now is magical because it now has straightened out the entire deck except for, and you show that the only cards that are face up are the 3 aces, and then the final reveal is that the joker has turned into the 4th ace. Okay, you may have to watch this a few times. I know it's a little complicated. Let me know what you guys think. Now on to the results and the deck giveaway. Here are the winners of the signed bicycle decks from my last video. Winning a brown deck goes to Ryan Landman. Winning a fuchsia deck goes to Mad Attack 415. Winning a purple deck goes to Harry the Pumpkin Dragon. Winning a turquoise deck goes to Gustavo Barrera. Winning a green deck goes to Toby Tricious. Winning an orange deck goes to Joshua Mortimer. Winning the first of 2 ghost decks goes to Mr. J Plays. And winning the second ghost deck goes to Tofo Bo. Okay, this time I'm giving away 8 signed decks of bicycle playing cards. A green, an orange, 2 fuchsia, 2 turquoise, and 2 ghost decks. All you have to do is leave a comment below, like the video, and I'll be announcing the winners in my next video. Good luck to everybody. That's it. I'll see you next time.